it's Miss Matlock again. We're still in Chapter 4, Traditions We Share, but today we're going to be going over Lesson 3, Sharing Our Cultures. You're going to turn to page 146 in your social studies book, so go ahead and do that, and I'm going to read our next slide. Okay, our learning target. Describe and explain the importance of various beliefs, customs, languages, and traditions of communities. And again, I've listed all of your vocabulary words for the chapter, and so keep an eye out for those as we go throughout. They'll be highlighted in yellow. Okay, so you should be on page 146 following along with me as I read this. Children from other countries speak different languages. They have different customs and traditions. Meet some children from other countries. Meet Chunhee. Hello, I am Chunhee from South Korea. When I get home from school, I leave my shoes by the front door. This is an old custom in my country. Next, I play music. Last, I set the table and we use chopsticks when we eat. So number 1, it asks you to sequence. It's going to ask you to put them in order. So write 1, 2, and 3 by the sentence that tells what Chunhee does first, next, and last after school. Meet Pedro. Hello, my name is Pedro. I live with my family in Mexico. My home is by the ocean. I like to swim. I like to play football. You call it soccer. On Saturday, there will be a fiesta or holiday in my town. It is a fun tradition. We will hear music. We will eat good food and we will play games and have fun. Okay, number 2, write one thing Pedro does that you would like to do too. What sounds fun to you? Meet Hawa. I am Hawa from Mali. I live with my family. My mother is a teacher. One day, I want to be a teacher. My family gets up at 7 o'clock. We eat breakfast, then I walk to school. It takes 20 minutes to get there. My class meets on the playground where we raise our country's flag, and it is a custom to sing our country's song. So number 3 wants you to underline something that you and Howie both do at school. Meet Kurt. Guten Tag. That means hello in German. If you'll look in between the little smiley face looking things, those are called parentheses. If you'll look in the parentheses, it tells you how to pronounce that big fancy German word. I live in a big city in Germany. I have a computer that I use at school. I also use it to write friends far away. Number 4, circle the words that mean hello in German. So think back to the beginning of that little paragraph and circle the word that meant hello in German. Okay, number 5, 6, and 7. So on number 5, you're going to compare and contrast, which you've been doing all week, so you're pros at it by now. Write one way you and the children in this lesson are similar. Write one way you are different. Number 6, what is your favorite thing from another culture and where is it from? So it can be something you learned today or something that you already knew. So go ahead and tell me about that. Number 7, draw pictures. Use a separate piece of paper if you have one. Show some important customs and traditions of your family or community. Write a sentence about each one. So each picture that you write about, I want you to write me a short sentence underneath it to finish it up. Okay, what did you learn today? Today we learned the importance of various beliefs, customs, languages, and traditions of communities. Okay, I have one little read aloud for you. I found us a book that kind of went along with today's lesson. So if you'll take your smartphone or smart device camera and take a picture of our QR code again, it'll pull up your read aloud for today, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you and have a fantastic day.